Hey guys, Kurz here with you today. Today I want to go over this pool filter that we just got in. And I have our old one over here as well, so we can kind of do a little kind of comparison. As far as why we ordered this, we just moved into this current home maybe 3 months ago or 2 months ago, something like that. About a few days after we moved in, our pool pump just blew up. I mean, it just went out. So it's taken us a few months to get, repair guys out here, try to get everything done and try to get our pool cleaned up. A few days ago, our pool was just completely green. I mean, it looked like a pond. It's still not 100%, which I can't, so you guys kind of see here, but it's almost there. We've had several treatments, got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We've had a bunch of like chlorine tablets in there and just a whole bunch of harsh chemicals. The pool guy recommended that we replace our current filter just because of all the chemicals just slowly breaking it down. And I can tell here, he said by today the pool should be pretty much clear, and it's not clear yet. But he did say that that filter we currently have, he said, is done. Like until you replace it, with a new one, then we're gonna struggle. So we got a new one here, and we're ready to get it in. Hopefully, get our pool cleaned up. Let me get somebody to open this here. So before I pull this out, let's look at some of the stuff we have. Here's the brand POOLPURE Pool and Spa Filtration Cleaner, longer, easier. Here's the size of it. Over here, just advanced pool and spa filtration technology. On the other side, we have, looks like here a few kind of like little like logos or stamps, we can call it here. So that's usually pretty good stuff. If they have that on there, it means something. See, it's certified by IAPMO, warranty against a whole bunch of stuff here. All right, filtration dimensions, how to find replace cartridge for your pool. All right, and luckily for me, whenever we did this, my pool guy actually told me which size to order and everything, so I didn't have to worry about all this. But they do put the instruction on here, giving you some helpful tips on what to do. Let's see, greater dirt holding. Let me change that so you can see what I'm pointing at here. Greater, can you see it? Yeah. Greater dirt holding capacity. The unique tri-lobal fabric deliver 21 to 40% greater effective surface area when compared to competing products. This structure is easier to capture a large amount of contaminants, which can effectively remove hair, leaves, dust, sediment, sand, etc. Excellent cleanability. Highly uniform media. Is that right? Media? Got a weird word in there, I guess. Highly uniform media allows easy and thorough cleaning. With superior thickness and stiffness, it holds up to the rigors of multiple cleanings. Greater flow. Precision engineered free flow core design provides maximum water flow and offers strong support to the whole filter. All right, so a whole bunch of stuff on here. All right, here's some stuff about the return policy on the other side. All right, let's get this open here and see what we got. So whenever it was shipped to us, it did come in this container. Not that that's a big deal. I mean, I'm not too worried about my neighbors knowing I got a new filter, but it did come like this. It didn't come in like a big, huge box. All right. So there's nothing else in here. So let's get that box out of the way. All right. So this is what we got right here. So it came in a plastic clear bag. Has the company on here again, and it actually has the brand wrapped around it. So that's actually kind of neat, because my other filter over here that I'm getting ready to show you guys, I didn't see a brand on it. So I mean, I don't even know what it is. I mean, I didn't look that hard. Maybe it's somewhere else. But all right, this is all sealed up here. So in order to open this, luckily I had scissors out here already. Try to do this without actually punching a hole through my new filter. All right. All right, so far, see if there's anything weird or unique. Everything looks good. All right, so here's something here on the top. You can kind of see it has these extra little ridges. I think when I was reading the box, it did mention something about the inside. That is something my other filter does not have. So that's going to maybe make this a little bit more secure, a little more sturdy. All right, let me get the old one up. Okay, actually my other one does have a brand on it. I don't want to mention it, just I don't want to throw them under the bus if I say anything bad about this product here. This other one, its brand name is on the top up here. So it's actually engraved into the plastic, where this one here kind of actually has it on there. As far as a side-by-side comparison, it looks pretty much the same here. Again, this one's obviously, you know, brand new out of the box. This one's been here for I don't know how long. But the filters here, the thing I can kind of get my finger in here about to my knuckle. So let's see how this does. The same. So same depth in there. Let's see. Going into the bottom of it here. Yeah, you kind of see, this is where I'm really seeing a difference. Let me get this one down here so you can kind of see it. And as far as the weight, it's not a fair comparison here, because this one I literally just took out of the pool filter system maybe 10 minutes ago, just to try to like kind of drip dry, but it's still holding a lot of water. But I'm going to guess and say the weight's pretty comparable, because the wet one doesn't feel much different. But the big difference I'm seeing is right there in the inside. You see the one here in this hand, it's hollow, it goes all the way through. The one over here, you can see it has those extra little ridges. So that looks like that's going to be the main difference between them. Again, according to the box, there's a lot of other special things they have, but so far so good. I mean, I'm not seeing anything that would make me consider not replacing my other filter with this one. So there you go, guys. So far I'd recommend it. I mean, I may change my mind later, but right now it looks good. So I hope somebody out there got something from this video, and thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.